You hear about AI agents everywhere, chatbots that do research, automate tasks, or even communicate with other agents. And you think, how do I build something like that? That's where Vertex AI Agent Builder from Google Cloud comes in. It promises a full-stack, enterprise-grade platform to design, deploy, and run intelligent agents. But in 2026, is it truly the best AI agent builder, or just another overcomplicated Google tool? Welcome to GigaBits, where we review the top AI platforms so you can decide what's worth building on. Today we're diving deep into Vertex AI Agent Builder to find out if it's the right choice for you. I spent several days exploring Agent Builder on Google Cloud, building simple agents with the Agent Development Kit, ADK, creating multi-agent integrations, deploying to production, and monitoring in real usage. I worked with both Python and Google's Agent Garden templates, connected agents to enterprise data, and watched how they run in the managed agent engine. I also looked at the platform from a security and governance perspective. On top of that, I read posts from devs on Reddit and Google Cloud forums. After testing key workflows and investigating costs, I gained a real sense of where Agent Builder shines and where things get complicated. Vertex AI Agent Builder pitches itself as a powerful but flexible platform to build, orchestrate, and scale AI agents. Key claims include: build smart agents using ADK or open-source frameworks. Connect agents to enterprise data with 100-plus pre-built connectors. Enable agents to talk to each other via the agent-to-agent (A2A) protocol. Deploy to production using a fully managed runtime, agent engine. Monitor, evaluate, and govern agent behavior with built-in observability. All of this sounds very enterprise-focused, but do these promises hold up when you actually build and run agents, or do the complexities outweigh the value? Let's dig in. Step 1. Building agents and multi-agent workflows. The ADK lets you build agents with as little as 100 lines of Python, plus you get sample agents and workflows in the Agent Garden. For developers, this is a huge productivity boost. You also have the freedom to build with frameworks like LangChain or LangGraph and still deploy to the same runtime. Step 2. Agent-to-agent communication. Thanks to the agent-to-agent (A2A) protocol, different agents can communicate securely. That means you can build systems where agents negotiate or delegate tasks. For enterprise-style automation or multi-agent workflows, this is very powerful and helps avoid vendor lock-in. Step 3. Data grounding and tool access. You can ground agents using existing data by plugging into RAG, Vertex AI Search, Vector Search, or Custom Model Context Protocol (MCP) sources. With 100-plus integration connectors, APIs, Google Sheets, Slack, Jira, and more, your agents can use real business data, which helps make their responses useful and accurate. Step 4. Deployment and production. Readiness. With Agent Engine, Google handles infrastructure, scaling, and security. You don't need to manage servers, you just deploy your agents. It supports memory, both short and long-term, session tracking, and tool execution in a secure, managed environment. Observability monitoring allows you to trace interactions, measure latency, token usage, and more. Step 5. Security and governance. Agent Builder uses Google Cloud's enterprise security, VPC service controls, IAM, audit logging, and content guardrails. Your agents can run in isolated environments and follow strict policies, making this a good option for regulated companies. Google also supports memory sandboxing to control what data agents remember and how they reason. Step 6. Reliability, limits, and costs. The flexibility is great, but costs can add up. Running agents at scale, using memory, or connecting many tools all consume Google Cloud resources. Some Reddit users note that using Vertex AI with large or complex deployments can be expensive. There are also minor developer complaints. ADK is powerful, but some feel the docs are still catching up or certain advanced features are not fully battle-tested. So is Vertex AI Agent Builder the best AI agent builder in 2026? The answer is, it depends on your use case. If you're a startup or enterprise developer building production-ready, data-grounded, multi-agent systems, Agent Builder is one of the strongest tools available. Its integration into Google Cloud, powerful deployment engine, and enterprise governance make it ideal for serious large-scale agent work. If you're a hobbyist or just experimenting, the power and complexity might feel like overkill, and costs may be higher than simpler agent frameworks. In short, Vertex AI Agent Builder is very good, and for many developers and companies, it's the right way to build AI agents in 2026. Just be sure you understand its cost model and setup challenges before diving in. If this review helped you understand whether Vertex AI Agent Builder is right for your next AI project, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We dig into the most powerful AI tools every week. Hit like if this gave you clarity, and comment below what kinds of agents you plan to build. Chatbots? Workflow assistants? Research agents?